Here's a 2016 F250 XL trim, super cab, four-wheel drive of course. Nice looking truck, has the spray-in bed liner. Also has power windows, power locks, power mirrors. So it's a reasonably well equipped truck. Let me show you the interior. We'll start with the driver's compartment first. And it's got a full bench here. This piece folds up so you can seat three in the front if need be. Or you can leave it down the way it is and you've got an armrest and a couple of cup holders and so forth. And there's your dash layout. And as I mentioned, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. And in the rear, both these seat portions fold down, so you've got a full bench seat back here with room for three, and you've also got a nice load space, flat floor load space if you need it. Nice truck. Great truck to get some work done with too. So stop by McDonald Motors Ford here in Center Conway and take it for a ride. See what you think. Check it out for yourself. You can also learn about it on our website, which is www.mcdonaldmotorsford.com. And I thank you for watching.